Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time around we are going to handle about errors. So for errors, you come to your Excel. Your Excel is here. You double click. After double clicking, okay, it will show you a series of things here. Yeah, there is a blank word book. There is a blood pressure tracker. So for us, we are going to use what? Because we are trying to rectify the errors here. So you tap the blank one here. So here you come. So let's maybe say we are entering our names. Let me maybe say John. John. Say John. Let me say maybe Baptist. Let me say maybe Renat. I put Moses. Yeah, I'm only putting 40. So here now you come here and you enter your figures. 43. Enter. 24. Enter. So here again. So maybe 9. Come here again, enter your figures. Enter your figures here. So guys, here you have found that your values are already there. So here, let me first start with ash error. Here, so my I come here, I say I enter here sum. Enter here sum. Okay, then first I've forgotten my equals. Let me first put equals to.
Equals sum in brackets.
Equals to sum. Brackets. You open your brackets. Then you say we highlight here. You light up to here. Then after this, then you close your brackets. After you closing your brackets, then after you actually highlighting all this plus your whatever your function, you see. So let me go to hash value error. So guys, after your hash value error, you delete all the values you have got because you want to make another error. So here you come and you delete. How are you going to delete this? Come to your box, say what? Say backspace. Here also, say backspace. Come to here also, say backspace. Here also, say backspace. So we are now going to create what? Hash value error. So guys, for hash value error, you just come to your what? Come to your function here. Here you just say equals to. Then you start highlighting from there. Start highlighting your up to there. So you say
Enter.
enter. So it will automatically bring you what? Hash value error. So guys, let me go to hash name error also. I want to show you, me personally, I'm going to handle 3 errors only. Hash value error, hash error, and then hash value error, together with what? Hash name error. So let me go to the last one, which are mostly common. So guys, for hash name error, this one is the simplest at all. So you just come here, just come to your what? Your box here. Just say equals to, then you what? Come here. Then after you highlighting your E, then you just say what? Enter. So guys, there was some error there. So here you just come, you say hash name error, you put like this, say equals to, you come to your what? Come to your E, highlight. After you highlighting, you go to your what? You go to your divide here. Then you say what? Enter. It will automatically bring what? Hash name error. So guys, those are the only 3 basic errors I wanted to highlight you today. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, and meet you next time when I'm handling on how to create a report card. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.